All team members are skilled and enabled for a successful suggestive selling. It has several benefits. If you are knowledgeable, if you are able to express, if you are able to suggest, if you are able to recommend, all these words are leading to one direction, a guest satisfaction when the guest is in your outlet. You have to make him comfortable, you have to engage with him, you have to talk to him by taking permission, never be intruding and never get into the conversation. Wait for your chance, read the signal, see if the guest is ready, allowing you to come in and speak. This is the best time because that time guest is in the mood of hearing you. He wants to listen. What do you have to say? He will allow you. That is the time you open your wings, you explain by offering the menu. When you're offering the menu, always offer the menu to the old ones, respected ones, and the host gets the menu the last. After you have distributed the menu, just see that who among the group or who among the table is willing to interact with you. You need to read the signal. Don't go on to anyone just by lag. Maybe they have not read the menu yet. Maybe they haven't gone through with the menu yet. Maybe they are not ready mentally. So what you do, you read the signal. As a server, as a waiter, please allow little gap after you gave the menu because guests will take few minutes to scroll through the pages. When they are scrolling the pages, you are already reading their facial expression, how they are feeling, what page actually they are on, or if they are talking to each other. Someone is talking about the wine, somebody is talking about the daily special, somebody already saying that we were here in this restaurant last week, and do you know they have the best X dish here. So this is the time for you to approach, and then you say what you have to say in terms of order taking. This will have a direct benefit. It will increase your outlet revenue because when you are knowledgeable, when you are able to express, when you are able to interact with them, read the signals, of course, it will add value towards that side. They will order much more than what they were ready for. Keep that in mind. When the customers come to your restaurant, they always never come to your place by spending more. They always come with the mind that they are going for a meal. They will order one, two, or three dishes, or they will order certain dishes for the whole table, and that is all. If you are able to crack that, this is your time. You get into the place and then you do suggestive selling. This is the time you will increase average per check and you will increase the profitability of your restaurant. When that is happening, of course, customer is feeling you, customer is hearing you, customer can sense the way you speak, the way you suggest, the way you recommend. So it increases the customer experience, also their satisfaction sitting in your outlet. To develop the suggestive selling culture, it is very important that you already have information beforehand, because if you are unprepared, you will not be able to do the justice to your role. But imagine if you have all the tools, you know what is available, you know what to sell, and you know what dishes are not available. It means to say you are far more firm. You are able to speak with the confidence. Guests will listen to you very amazingly. They will hear with you everything that you have to say.